Midwest Rental Company is a boat, kayak, and paddleboard rental company in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. They're using Indexic's aReservation and aWaiver software. Here's what owners Chris and Nate have to say about us. How did you get into the business?
Getting into the business was really luck. COVID kind of came around the same time I got out of the military, and I was trying to figure out what to do, and I came by this harbor and had a for sale sign on it, and I said, what the heck, I'll try being a harbor master. And then from there it just kind of took off. We got some pontoon boats, started renting them out, got some kayaks, and it's just grown since then.
What was the main reason you chose Indexic?
The main reason, I guess, would be Chad. Pretty cool dude. He came down to our harbor. We did hands-on training. Their support staff. We talked to Brooke a lot. She always answers the phone right away and helps us out with whatever we need. It's been real great. They just offered everything we needed with online waivers. Pretty much bulletproofing that for us. People could do the waivers at home, takes a picture of them. We know who's coming in.
Have you noticed a positive impact on your business since switching to Indexic?
I would say just the feeling of knowing that they got your back, it's bulletproof more than the other ones. That makes me feel a little bit better.
I've noticed the check-in, check-out process and waivers have been a lot easier. Through the old booking platforms, we had a lot of complaints of people had to sign their name 10 times or why they got to do this again. It's just simplified things for the check-in and waiver side.
They could get all the waivers done. You don't have to spend 15-20 minutes doing that here. They only used to be able to do the reservation, and then now they could just show up, we'll go over the map of the unit, and then they're off.
Would you recommend Indexic to another company?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, absolutely.
To learn more, call 800-742-4781, extension 1, or email sales@indexic.net, or find us online at indexic.net.